Alright guys, so we finally have the new window motor in. Here is a side-by-side of them. I'm pretty sure this one right here is OEM. This one, I'm not sure. I honestly just got it because it was relatively cheap, but we'll see how it is. You can see the size difference. I mean, it's not a whole lot different, but we're gonna see if it makes a difference. And fingers crossed, it does. But what's up guys, welcome back to another video. I am extremely tired. I just got home from work and I want to just lay in bed and just relax, but I'm trying my best to get these daily vlogs out for you guys. I really hope you guys appreciate them. Like I said, we are trying to hit 5K and we are getting so close, and I just want to give a huge shout out to all the new subscribers out there. With that being said guys, let's plug it in and see how it does. Alright, so I got the new one plugged in. I want to just test it out. Oh yeah, it already sounds much smoother. Alright, so that's all the way up right there. So I'm gonna get this unplugged and then see how it reattaches. I have some reference picture that I'm gonna go off of, but let's get this reattached. But first off, let's turn this off so our battery don't die. I wanna show you guys how to disassemble this if you ever need to. First off, you have the door panel. On the door handle itself, right behind it, you're gonna have a screw. You're gonna wanna pop the door handle off, that piece right there. You're gonna have 2 screws on that. And then from there, it's pretty much just clips on the bottom, and just go ahead and pop it out. Once you get that, you're gonna have a metal frame that goes, oh man, these G35's doors, I swear, they do not stay open. But you're gonna have a metal piece that covers all of this, which is, let me see if I can show you guys real quick. That's gonna look like this. Pretty much like that. It's a whole metal piece, and it's gonna screw, everything's gonna screw into that. It's gonna cover all of this. There's gonna be no open space. Your motor adapter piece, I don't know what that's called, that screws into it. The regulators or the railings screw into it on both. And yeah, so pretty much take a video so you see exactly where every single screw goes. That way you don't mess up. But I'm gonna find something to hold this door open because you guys already know these G35 doors are retarded. And then hopefully we can figure this out, and hopefully it works because tomorrow is supposed to rain. Perfect. Alright, so like I said, I have some reference pictures. Let me go ahead and pull those up. So here are the reference pictures that I have. They're not the best, but it's literally the only ones that I can find. Which is telling me though that the motor is going to sit basically, where is it at? We did not unplug it yet. But it's gonna pretty much sit like that, or like that. So this is gonna be up. So I need to figure that part out real quick, and then start to get everything pretty much in, get it popped in, and pretty much all it is 3 screws. 1, 2, and 3. Once you get those off, you just pretty much pry this off. Alright guys, I want to show you how stupid I am. So I was looking at this, and you see how there's several different holes. So I was trying to line them all up with the wrong thing. So I was looking at the angle that little piece is, and the angle of this, oops, and it just wasn't matching up. So I looked at a reference picture, marked exactly which holes they need to be, so you can see all 3 are marked, okay? And once you do that, it literally, like, I was trying to turn this to match it with this. I thought maybe that was in the wrong spot, but once I did that, these threaded ones, okay, 1, 2, and 3, the only threaded ones here. Once you do that and you literally put it right up to it, bam, it's on. And that's it. And it should look like that. Everything's screwed in. This is the way it's gonna be. The next thing I think I need to do, which I think I'm just gonna plug it in, test it. As you can see, the window's down, so I need to make sure it's all set in the right spot, and then I have to like pretty much get every bolt in the right spot for this plate, because as you can see, this is gonna bolt there, this right here, right here. You're gonna have stuff go in here, so on and so forth, and even into here. I believe, yes, into there as well. So I need to make sure everything's in the right spot, but I think right now, no. Maybe we should just wait. I don't know. I don't know what to do because these are very loose because there's nothing bolted. So let me figure out my next step, what my next move is, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, so as you see, it works. It's just not in the right spot, and I need to figure that out. So I need to take all this back apart. Thankfully, I didn't put everything together, so pretty much I just need to loosen, or take actually, yeah, everything off. Keep the motor. These are the tracks here, here, and here, and here. Those are the tracks. My battery's flashing, so I need to change it. Alright, I just changed my battery. It died. But I need to take it back apart because it stops there. So I'm gonna do it off camera, try to see what's going on. I think I must have it set in the wrong spot is the only thing. But as far as what exactly is in the wrong spot, it could be the motor, it could be the tracks. Everything is put back together. I think I'm gonna have to do a reset though, for when we close the door and then hold, do just a window reset. But check it out. All right, let me go ahead and plug this back in real quick. All right, plug this. Check it out, guys. Are you ready? Down, oops, down, and up. And then I think it should, when we close the door, it should go, do that whole thing. I hope. Otherwise technically it's still not all the way up, but there it is. I'm super happy. Let's get the door panel back on and get this thing looking like a car on the inside again. There it is. I am so happy, guys. And now for the test. Let me go ahead and hop inside, get this thing up. Where are my keys? Wait, what? It literally rolled up. I mean, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It should work. There it is. Rolls down, rolls up, rolls down, rolls up. Bam. Bam. Oh my God, we did it, boys. Dude, I have not had, oh, it's so good. Oh, I'm so happy, guys. I'm not kidding you when I say this. I've owned this car now almost, no, I take that back. I have oh my God. Come March will be 3 years I've owned this car. 3 years. From day one of owning it, that window never worked. It just got worse over time. So what happened was when I first bought it, when I would do the automatic thing, and it would go up, and then it would go up, and then drop. And then I'd have to hold it and let it go up, and then it stayed. Rolling it down, when I would roll the window down, it would go, and then it'd go clunk, like it would slam down. Now, it goes down smooth, it goes up smooth, everything works. I'm so happy. But that's how you guys change a motor. I bought that motor on eBay for $39. If I can find the link, I'm gonna put, actually, I know I have it because I just bought it. I'm gonna put the link in the description below. It's a good motor, and it works. And that's basically, though, how you change your motor. So a quick walkthrough again. Just go ahead. Why is it now not doing it? Did it do it? I don't know. Interesting. Oh, there it goes. That's weird. Really weird. But anyways, go ahead and take your door panel apart. You're gonna have a screw here. You're gonna have 2 screws here. You're gonna have clips all on the bottom. Once you get it open, cool. Yeah, once you get it opened, you're gonna have pretty much take a video or a picture of that entire inner piece so you see where every single bolt goes. Undo them all, and then for the motor, it's 3 screws. It's gonna detach that piece from the other piece. The key thing that I did pretty much was, as you guys saw, I rolled the window up before and it was down about 2 inches. So what I did was, because this will not let the window roll down. So what that attaches to is the regulator, which is a cable driven, okay? So what's gonna happen is, you need to pull it. 2 people is gonna be easier, but you could do it with 1, I just did. But you're gonna wanna pull that window all the way up and make sure it's sliding on the rail. You're not just pulling it up with the regulator. You wanna pull it up, push the regulator down, which is bringing the window to the top of the regulator. Once you do that, you're gonna wanna keep it there, and then you're gonna wanna put that piece in. Once you put the motor in, it's gonna hold that in place, and then pretty much reverse everything you guys did, and bada boom, bada bam, you got a working window. And let me tell you what, I am so happy. But I'm gonna end this video off right here, guys. I am so tired. I wanna go inside and relax and just take a bit of a break. Take the rest of this day off. I have been going crazy on vlogs, and on top of it, I'm working my daily job. So I hope you guys appreciate the videos. But if you found this one helpful, please make sure to leave a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. And subscribe if you're not already. We have a lot of really cool things to come. I'm trying to hit my goal of 5,000 subscribers before the end of the year. I definitely think we're gonna make it happen. So a huge shout out to all my new subscribers. Thank you guys so much. At 5K, I wanna do a giveaway. Comment below if you guys have any ideas or suggestions on what we should do and or for the video and for a giveaway. And I think that's pretty much it. I'm gonna head inside, get this video edited for you guys. You guys are gonna see that today. By the time you're watching it, I'm probably gonna be taking a nap. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And until next time, as always, peace out.